onto anger and hate after experiencing hurt or betrayal. What if I told you that letting go of hate is the most powerful step you can take towards your healing journey? Stay with me because today we are exploring how releasing resentment can set you free and help you reclaim your inner peace.
It's time to break free, heal your soul, and rise like a phoenix.
Hi everyone, and welcome to Healing with Adrienne. If you are here, it's because you are looking for ways to heal, grow, and reclaim your power after facing difficult and painful experiences. And today we are diving into a topic that's so important, but often overlooked. Why letting go of hate is the key to healing. I know firsthand how hard it is to let go of anger and resentment, especially when someone has deeply hurt you. I've been there, and I want you to know that your feelings are valid. Anger and pain are natural responses to being wrong. But holding on to hate, just like carrying a burning charcoal, expecting it to hurt the person who hurt you, while it only burned you in the end. Let me tell you why. Let's talk about why letting go of hate is so important. Hate keeps you stuck in the past. Cater to the person or situation that caused you pain. It drains your energy, clouds your mind, make it nearly impossible to focus your own healing and growth. Trust me, I've been there. When we hold on to hate, we give away our power. The person who hurt us continue to have control over our emotion and our life. But letting go doesn't mean that we are excusing their behavior. It means we are choosing to prioritize our peace and well-being over holding on to toxic emotions. That's really important. Let me share with you my story. It was just last year during what was supposed to be a time of celebration, New Year Eve. Trust me. But instead of joy, I found myself in one of the lowest points of my life. My soon-to-be ex-husband, someone I deeply loved and trusted, and we had a massive argument. The lies, the manipulation, the endless drama, and the abuse. It all came to a head that night. I sat there overwhelmed and broken, realizing that this wasn't how I wanted to start another year of my life. Because it felt like a turning point, but not in the way I hoped. I thought about the sacrifice I'd made, all the love I had poured into the relationship, only to feel unseen, unheard, and invalidated. And yet to continue as if everything was normal felt impossible, right? Plan I had for myself seemed to stop as if they were stuck in time. I kept holding on to anger, the resentment, the betrayal. It felt so heavy, like a weight pressing on my chest. And even though I felt deep resentment towards him, I never thought of taking revenge. All I wanted was fairness. But trust me when I say this, a narcissist will never be fair with you. No matter what you try to do, they will always twist it in their favor. That's when I decided to try something different. I started meditating. Not because I thought it would magically erase the pain, right? But because I needed something or anything to bring me peace. At first, it was hard. Sitting with my thoughts felt like unbearable. But little by little, I started to notice a shift. Through meditation, I learned how to let myself feel the pain without letting it to control me. I also started manifesting, not for revenge, not to change him, but to rebuild myself. I began envisioning the life I wanted to live, free from the resentment that had weighed me down for so long. And I slowly realized something. Holding on to hate wasn't protecting me. It was only keeping me tied to the pain of the past. Forgiving him wasn't easy as well, and it didn't happen overnight. But I realized that forgiveness wasn't about excusing what he did. It was about freeing myself. It was about saying I deserve peace. I deserve joy. I deserve to move forward. And today I want you to know that you deserve the same. No matter how much pain you've been through, no matter how much anger you're carrying, there's a way forward. You can let go of the hate, you can reclaim your power, and you can create a life that's no longer defined you by what someone else did to you. I know it's easier said than done, because everything we started out is not easy. So how do you start letting go of hate? It's a process that takes time, effort, patience. But what I want to share with you, 3 steps that helped me, and I hope they will help you too. Step 1, acknowledge your pain. First, allow yourself to acknowledge your pain. Let yourself feel the anger, the hurt, betrayal. These emotions are valid and they deserve to be heard. Write them down, talk to a trusted friend or even a therapist if you can. Let it out, scream it into a pillow, say it out loud as well. Whatever feels right for you. The key here is to let yourself feel it, the feeling. Suppressing this emotion only keep them bottled up, and the process of truly processing through those feelings is the first step to letting them go. Step 2, shift your focus. Next, shift your focus. Instead of replaying what they did to you over and over in your mind, ask yourself, what can I do today that bring me peace and joy? Right? It could be something small, like taking a walk in the nature, meditating for 10 minutes, practicing yoga, or even picking up a hobby you have always loved to set aside, learn a new skill, cook a meal for yourself, or simply spend time practicing self-care. The point is to redirect your energy towards things that nurture you, rather than dwelling on the pain of the past. Step 3, practice forgiveness. I know it's not easy, never easy. Okay. Finally, practice forgiveness. Now let me be clear. This doesn't mean that you are excusing what they did to you. Forgiveness isn't about them. It's about you. It's about saying, I refuse to let your action control my life any longer. It's for your freedom, not theirs. When you forgive, you are not forgetting the lesson you have learned. You are simply releasing the power their action hold on to you. Bonus step. Okay. Cultivate gratitude. And here's an additional step I found transformative. Cultivate gratitude. Focus on the good things in your life, no matter how small. Maybe it's a sunny day, a kind word from a friend, or even the fact that you are taking the step to heal. Gratitude shifts your perspective from what you have lost to what you still have, and bring more peace into your life. Before we wrap up, I want to leave you an affirmation that has helped me release the anger I carried for so long. Say this with me, okay? I release the anger that no longer serves me, and I choose peace. I choose love, and I choose to reclaim my happiness. Now take a deep breath as you exhale. Imagine letting go of all the pain and anger you've been holding on to. Imagine it dissolving with each breath, leaving you lighter and freer. It's a process, but each time you repeat this affirmation, you are taking one more step towards healing. I want to leave you with this thought. Healing doesn't happen overnight, but every small step you take brings you closer to peace and happiness you deserve. If this video resonates with you, I do love for you to share it with someone who might need it.
Your story matters. If you've experienced the power of letting go and healing, I do love to hear about your journey. You can email me at the address in the description box below. If you'd like to share your story or give a word of encouragement to others, feel free to comment below as well. Your story is safe with me and will remain private unless you give me permission to share it. Together, we can inspire and support each other on this path of healing.